I am Chandran. I've had an amazing experience today. Not more so just for the food, but for the entire experience. A truly homemade, home cooked, loving mom-made kind of food experience. An amazing cuisine I have never tried before in my life. In particular is the Bombay duck in an achari kind of a gravy. And then we also have an amazing crab curry. Chef has gone out of her way to just, there's no full stops to her, the experience she's put up with us. And friends from all walks of life are put together just to have this one amazing experience. So thank you, Chef Kalpana, for this. And we are going to be coming from it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Anakha. I enjoyed the kadkadla and the meatput, omla and meatput, and the mumra and the duri halwa and the kharwas. Everything. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Chetan Gore, this comes from an authentic non-vegetarian coconut Brahmin who's lived on fish and seafood most of his life. Thanks to his father who was also non-vegetarian. I thought the best one was actually the bombil pickle. That was bombil meatput. That was absolutely fantastic. That was very distinctive also. Actually, I also stole some of the vegetarian dish. The Dwarichi Bhakri with the Bombay meatput was the best combination, which I don't think was intended, but I ate that. That was very, very good. The other thing which is really fantastic was obviously the crab. It was very, very good. And the tomato coconut with the tomato
sheer. Tomato sheer. Tomato sheer.
Tomato cheese.
Sheer means coconut milk.
Correct. Tomato cheese. The
Sweet dish.
Sweet dish also very good. But pan shot is best.
Panchas. Okay, great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Most amazing Sunday today, purely because of Kalpana's kitchen. Really loved the food here. I'm really confused about what dish was better. I loved the pickled bombil. I love the prawns. I love the crabs. I love the fish. I love everything here. And really, I've been really licking my fingers. You guys must try this as well. I've just come out of producing MasterChef, and this was an experience, gastronomical experience. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Samir. It was a unique experience for me. The good thing was, not the good thing, but I cannot eat crabs or prawns, but I think Kalpana prepared fish and different varieties of fish, which it was the best I think I've ever had till date. And I would recommend anybody who's coming here, can come and experience this cuisine, different kind of cuisine.
Yes, Madhu.
So it's been like 4-5 months I've been trying to come for this, and finally it worked out, and I'm really glad because I loved every bit of it. And because we love food, so it's great to experience different kinds of cuisine, and it's right here in Bombay, so we should just make the most of it. So I would say anyone who loves seafood or just food in general should come and experience it. And I loved the pickle curry and and prawns. Bombay.
Yes,
That was the highlight.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm Partha Sarkar. I'm a mom and I've grown up on specials in seafood. So I loved everything that was on the table, especially the crab and the pickled bombil, because I've never had that sort of a recipe ever, and loved everything actually.
You suggest this to your friends?
Yeah, absolutely. I would.
Thank you.
My name is Sumit Srivastava, and most of the time,
I'm Pooja.
most of the time your tongue and your tummy are friends, but today they are not. The tongue wants to eat more and the tummy has to eat less. And the food was absolutely great. I think I would like to eat more right now, but I don't think I can. Thanks a lot for coming.
Anything special you liked about today's dish?
Very difficult to actually choose one or the other. I think all the different kind of dishes and ramen also. Even the roti.
Was this your first time you tried Pathai Prabhu cuisine? First time? Okay.
Yeah, I tried the cuisine for the first time myself. I think I love the pickled bombil the best, and excellent food. Yeah. So, yeah, we definitely recommend it.
Thank you.
Mondo, I don't want to talk about vegetarian food.
Yeah, you tell me I'm going to get all firing from my friends who are waiting for veg food. And I've refused them.
I am in Bali and I really enjoyed the food that I prefer to eat all the non-veg possible. Thank you very much. The experience was wonderful.
Hi, I'm Renzel and I'm a little zoned out right now, as you can see. Lovely food. I think we're going to have it. I've been doing ads so I was just telling part of my partner that you should have it for lunch, but didn't want to make the food. Super food. I loved your Bombay pizza. I think that's a highlight. I've never had it anywhere. And yeah, I love to recommend it.
Thank you. Hi.
I'm Neha. I had a thoroughly, I really enjoyed this is the first time I'm eating so much of seafood together. I'm not a seafood person, but I had an awesome experience.
Great.
Definitely recommend it to people who love seafood.
Thank you. Thank you. Chandini, how was the arrangement and all that now that most of the friends were from you? So, what do you say?
So like I said,
My sitting arrangement or anything you can point out?
I'm glad that you had opted for the home cooked experience at the dining table because there's connection there. There's everyone's hands in the same plate, going for the same things. There's a kind of a camaraderie which you do not get otherwise if you were doing a buffet. So I enjoyed the ambience and I enjoyed the spirit. Everyone skipped breakfast today and came really hungry. But what is amazing is that we never tasted this cuisine in our lives. So this is, I would say in my book, another amazing experience to have. But I love the mother's touch.
I'll say, thank you.
And you just kept us abreast with what is being served and what is happening. And it was lovely.
Thank you, Chandini.